you can see everything looks great. It's working just fine as you would expect. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Kwikset passage knob. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. Very simple and straightforward with the Kwikset logo and branding, and we can learn more about our knob right here. We do have the satin nickel finish. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our installation guide right here walking us through everything we need to know. Next, you can see we have all of our different brackets in our strike plate with 4 included screws. Then we have our drive-in collar. Depending on the installation process that you're going to follow, you may need to use that. And we do have an included latch depending on if you need that with your door. And last but not least, you can see our passage knobs right here, satin finish. The 2 screws are already installed. Now let's go over setup and installation. So for my particular door, here's all the parts and pieces we're going to use. We are not going to be using these 2 pieces right there, but it's nice that we have the option for the rounded corners or the square corners. So here's what we're using. First things first, you want to go ahead, you want to separate this. Don't take the screws out. So just leave the screws in place, and then you can just twist in, and then you can tighten down as needed once it's installed. So that's what we're doing first. Then in our case, we are going to be using our latch, and I went ahead and I installed the faceplate that we're going to use. So you may have noticed we had that bracket that is now on the back side here. So that slides around from this end onto our latch, and then we just gently press this bracket on the other side. Now they're stuck together. If for some reason you have to remove it or you want to change it, just take a flathead screwdriver and you can pry it out and change as needed. But there we go. We now have our latch all set and ready to go. So basically, we're going to take this slide in our door, then we're going to line these 2 up, and we're going to fasten everything in place. Now let's go ahead and get it installed. All right, so check it out. We got everything installed right here. The passage knob works great. Now you may notice, hey, this is an exterior door. Well, I am using a keypad to let certain contractors into the house, and I didn't want to have a bottom knob that locked so people can only come in and out with a code. So that's why we got the passage knob right here. But you can see everything looks great. It's working just fine as you would expect. No issues at all there. So simple process. You're going to go ahead, you're going to drop this in, fasten it down. Then you can see we're going to put both knobs in, and then you're going to tighten it right there. And it's that simple. Everything works great. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.